What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to adjust the door closer. As you see, this door sometimes close all the way, sometimes the negative pressure air doesn't let the door close all the way. So we're gonna adjust this door closer. So let's start it. So first we need to take the cover off. So there's one screw here, one screw in the top. Let me show you. This is the screw. So we have to take these two screws off. So to take the cover off. So I want to explain what option we have in the door closer. We have a latch here. Is L and latch. So we need the Allen wrench to adjust that. C is for closing, D is for delay, B is for back check, and in the end of the door closer we have a spring. You can adjust the spring here with the crossing wrench. So we can increase and decrease the pressure on the spring. If you do counterclockwise is decreasing, and if you do clockwise is increasing the power of the spring. Normally we don't use the delay, and that's optional. As you see here is also said delay is optional. We normally just play with the latch and closing to adjust the door closing. For the back check, if you have a wall in the back and you don't want your door hit the wall and make a hole in the wall, you adjust the back check so you stop the point you want. And you just have to play with these two items, latch and closing normally. So I made the latch all the way in strong. So I want to show you guys what's the mean latch. So you see the door stop right there. So that's showing the start point of the latch is there. So I have to adjust the latch so the door close smoothly. So I'm gonna counter clockwise the Allen wrench, so you see the now is getting close better. So still I have to counterclockwise lose it and a little more. So I'm gonna lose it and more. So let's test it now. You see it's much faster. So but still I need to close a little faster. I like to the door close faster a little. So doing the same thing. Now is almost good. I'm gonna do a little more, just a little. That's enough. So for the closing I did the same thing. Counterclockwise, turn the Allen wrench. So you see the door is stopped there. So that's a start point for the closing. So I gonna on counterclockwise, losing that screw, we're gonna see the result. So as I just turning that counterclockwise, the door closing. So now it's receiving to the latch. So now the door closing and stop there. So I have to adjust the latch a little more. So let me turn the closing a little more, increase it. That's worse. So I have to do a little more. You just have to play with it, So after a while you're gonna know which one you have to tie to get better result. So that's closed, but still if you see there is the air is going in, so I want that to be tight all the way. I'm gonna turn clockwise the spring, so to make that stronger, so make the door close better. There you go, the door is closing much better. So I tied that 2 times. And after that, so now we open the door is heavier. When your spring is it's getting strong. So when you want to open the door is look heavier. It's harder to push the door. And also I push this latch. I took these two screws off and I pushed this latch to the end. So when the door closed, so no negative pressure air is going that way because the door all the way closed. So and you see that one get red and the magnet is reaching the other magnet, so the doors close completely and safe. You just need to play with the door closer to learn how to do it. It's easy, just believe me, do it. So I tied the spring and I play with the latch and closing. So the closing is from the middle to the end and the latch is the last part. Thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe and like the video. Have a great